In 1910, the Scottish company Albion Motors introduced a new truck, the Albion A10. This 3-ton vehicle combined sturdy construction, reliability, and simplicity of maintenance. It quickly became popular with both the military and civilian users and became one of the most important trucks of its time. At the heart of the Albion A10 was its engine. A 4-cylinder gasoline motor with a 3.2-liter displacement was mounted at the front under the hood. Producing approximately 32 horsepower, it allowed the vehicle to carry loads of up to 3 tons even on rough roads. The engine was water-cooled, ensuring stable operation during long trips, and starting it by hand using a crank gave the driver a real sense of mastery and control. The power transmission of the Albion A10 was also remarkable. The engine's power was transferred to the rear wheels via a chain drive, which reduced wear on the mechanical parts and ensured durability. A 4-speed manual gearbox allowed the driver to adjust speed and torque according to road conditions and the weight of the load. At that time, this was considered advanced technology, as there were no synchronizers and gear shifting required attention and experience. The chassis and suspension were another key feature. The Albion A10 had a strong steel frame capable of handling heavy loads, and semi-elliptical leaf springs on both axles provided a relatively comfortable ride over uneven roads and rural paths. Large wheels with wooden spokes and solid rubber tires allowed the truck to overcome potholes, stones, and cobblestones without risking damage. The truck's body was open and versatile, allowing for different types of modifications depending on needs. It could carry goods, military equipment, or medical supplies. Thanks to this versatility, the Albion A10 became an ideal vehicle for both the Army and civilian enterprises. During the First World War, the Albion A10 proved its reliability under challenging frontline conditions. About 6,000 units were produced, transporting ammunition, equipment, and other cargo. Some were modified to carry artillery or serve as mobile workshops. After the war, many of these trucks were converted for civilian use, delivering goods, mail, or even passengers, and some even served as buses. The A10 model laid the foundation for the future development of Albion Motors, which had been producing passenger cars since 1899, but switched to trucks in 1910. In 1951, the company was acquired by Leyland Motors, and the Albion brand was eventually retired in 1972. If you enjoyed this story about the 1910 Albion A10, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. More fascinating stories about unique vehicles that shaped the world of transportation are coming soon.